When most people think about fruit trees, they picture apples, pears, peaches, or cherries. But beyond the familiar orchard staples lies an entire world of productive, resilient, and often forgotten crops that grow like fruit trees, or at least behave like them in the landscape. These plants can form small trees, large shrubs, or perennial clumps that come back year after year, producing food with far less effort than annual crops. Many of these species were once common in traditional gardens and homesteads. Others are still staples in different parts of the world, but remain underutilized in modern Western food systems. What they all share is long-term productivity, perennial growth, and the ability to fit beautifully into food forests, permaculture systems, and low-maintenance gardens. In this script, we'll explore 20 highly productive crops that grow like fruit trees. We'll cover where they come from, how they grow, what they produce, and why they deserve a place in your landscape. Whether you're planting a backyard food forest, restoring degraded land, or simply curious about uncommon edible plants, these crops offer resilience, diversity, and abundance. Jeden. Hardy kiwi. Hardy kiwi is a vigorous, cold-tolerant vine that produces small, smooth-skinned fruits with all the flavor of supermarket kiwis without the fuzz. Native to Northeast Asia, hardy kiwi can survive temperatures well below freezing, making it suitable for many temperate regions. Once established, hardy kiwi grows rapidly and can cover trellises, pergolas, or fences, producing hundreds of fruits per plant. The vines are long-lived perennials and can fruit for decades with proper pruning. While they are technically vines rather than trees, their long-term structure and productivity earn them a place alongside fruit trees in perennial systems. The fruits are rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber. Because they ripen quickly and don't store well, they're best eaten fresh, frozen, or made into preserves. Hardy kiwi thrives in well-drained soil, full sun, and benefits from protection from late spring frosts. 2. Mayhaw. Mayhaw is a small native tree of the southeastern United States, closely related to hawthorn. It thrives in wet soils, floodplains, and low-lying areas where many fruit trees struggle. This makes it an excellent choice for marginal land. The fruit resembles small crabapples and is traditionally used to make mayhaw jelly, a regional delicacy. Though the raw fruit is tart, it becomes fragrant and flavorful when cooked. Mayhaw trees bloom early in spring, producing masses of white flowers that support pollinators. Mayhaw trees are hardy, disease-resistant, and long-lived. They require minimal care once established and can produce reliable harvests for decades. For growers seeking native, low-input fruit trees, mayhaw is a standout option. 3. Serviceberry. Saskatoon. Serviceberry, also known as Saskatoon or Juneberry, is a versatile shrub or small tree native to North America. It produces sweet, blueberry-like fruits with hints of almond and cherry. Serviceberries are among the earliest fruits to ripen in spring, often producing before strawberries. The plants are extremely cold-hardy and adaptable to a wide range of soils. They also provide stunning seasonal interest, with white spring flowers, edible summer berries, and brilliant fall foliage. The fruits can be eaten fresh, dried, baked into pies, or made into jams and syrups. Serviceberries were an important traditional food for indigenous peoples and remain one of the most reliable perennial fruit crops for northern climates. 4. Cornelian cherry dogwood. Cornelian cherry dogwood is a small tree native to Europe and Western Asia. Despite its name, it is not a true cherry but a dogwood species that produces olive-sized red fruits. These fruits are tart when raw, but excellent for preserves, syrups, and fermented beverages. In many cultures, they are valued for their medicinal properties and high antioxidant content. Cornelian cherry dogwood blooms very early in spring, providing vital nectar for pollinators before most other trees flower. It is extremely long-lived, tolerant of poor soils, and resistant to pests and diseases, making it a dependable perennial crop. 5. Jujube. Jujube, sometimes called Chinese date, is a drought-tolerant fruit tree with a history of cultivation spanning thousands of years. Native to Asia, jujube thrives in hot, dry climates and poor soils where many fruit trees fail. The fruit can be eaten fresh, dried like dates, or used in teas and medicinal preparations. Fresh jujubes are crisp and apple-like, while dried jujubes become chewy and sweet. Jujube trees are remarkably low maintenance, resistant to pests, and highly productive once established. Their deep roots make them resilient to drought, making them ideal for climate-resilient food systems. 6. Medlar. Medlar is an ancient fruit tree that has largely disappeared from modern orchards. Native to Europe and the Middle East, it produces small brown fruits that must be blended or softened by cold before eating. Once blended, medlars develop a rich, spiced flavor reminiscent of applesauce and dates. The trees are compact, ornamental, and well-suited to small gardens. Medlar trees are hardy, disease-resistant, and long-lived. They fruit reliably with minimal pruning and are excellent examples of forgotten crops that deserve rediscovery. 7. Quince. Quince is a small fruit tree related to apples and pears. While its raw fruit is hard and astringent, quince transforms when cooked, becoming aromatic and richly flavored. Quince is prized for jams, jellies, pastes, and baked dishes. The trees themselves are attractive, with pale pink blossoms and fuzzy golden fruit. They are hardy, adaptable, and often more disease-resistant than apples or pears. Quince trees can also serve as rootstocks and structural elements in food forests. Otium. Aronia hokeberry. Aronia is a hardy shrub native to North America, known for producing some of the most antioxidant-rich berries in the world. The berries are dark, astringent, and highly nutritious. Though intense when eaten raw, Aronia berries shine in juices, syrups, wines, and dried snacks. The plants are extremely cold-hardy, tolerant of wet soils, and resistant to pests. Aronia shrubs are long-lived, productive, and ideal for hedgerows or forest garden understories. 9. Sea buckthorn. Sea buckthorn is a nitrogen-fixing shrub that produces bright orange berries packed with vitamins, omega fatty acids, and antioxidants. Native to Eurasia, it thrives in poor soils and harsh conditions. The berries are tart but valuable for juices, oils, and medicinal products. Sea buckthorn also improves soil fertility, making it a powerful ally in regenerative systems. Once established, it produces heavy yields and requires minimal care, though both male and female plants are needed for fruiting. Dis. Gumi. Gumi is a nitrogen-fixing shrub related to autumn olive. It produces small red berries with a sweet tart flavor and silvery foliage. The berries are rich in lycopene and can be eaten fresh or made into preserves. Gumi plants improve soil health and support surrounding crops. They are compact, productive, and well-suited to food forest edges and hedge. 11. Honeyberry. Haskap. Honeyberry is a cold-hardy honeysuckle that produces elongated blueberries with a flavor between blueberry and raspberry. These shrubs fruit very early, often before strawberries, and tolerate extreme cold. They are easy to grow, long-lived, and highly productive. Honeyberries are excellent for fresh eating, freezing, and baking. 12. Elderberry. Elderberry is a fast-growing shrub that produces clusters of dark berries used in syrups, wines, and immune-supporting remedies. The plants are hardy, adaptable, and thrive in moist soils. Elderflowers are also edible and valuable for teas and cordials. Elderberries are a cornerstone of medicinal and edible landscapes. 13. Mulberry. Mulberry trees are fast-growing and highly productive, producing sweet berries that resemble elongated blackberries. They are extremely adaptable, drought-tolerant, and long-lived. Mulberries fruit abundantly with little care and are excellent shade trees. The berries can be eaten fresh, dried, or made into jams and wines. 14. Pawpaw. Pawpaw is North America's largest native fruit and grows as a small understory tree. The fruit has a tropical flavor, reminiscent of banana and mango. Pawpaws thrive in forest edges and partial shade. They are long-lived and increasingly popular in food forests. The fruits are highly nutritious but perishable, making them ideal for local production. 15. American persimmon. American persimmon is a native tree, producing sweet, custard-like fruit when fully ripe. Unripe fruit is extremely astringent. The trees are hardy, drought-tolerant, and long-lived. They produce heavily once mature and support wildlife. Persimmons can be eaten fresh or used in baked goods. 6. Loquat. Loquat is an evergreen fruit tree suited to mild climates. It produces small, yellow fruits with a sweet tart flavor. Loquats bloom in winter and ripen in spring, filling a unique seasonal niche. They are ornamental, productive, and well-suited to urban gardens. 17. Feijoa, pineapple guava. Feijoa is an evergreen shrub or small tree, producing fragrant fruits with pineapple-like flavor. The edible flowers are also a bonus. Feijoa is drought-tolerant and ideal for hedges. It thrives in mild climates and produces reliably with little care. 18. Perennial leek. Elephant garlic. Elephant garlic behaves like a perennial, forming large clumps over time. It provides edible bulbs, leaves, and scapes with mild garlic flavor. Once planted, it can be harvested year after year. 19. Good King Henry. Good King Henry is a perennial green once common in European gardens. Young shoots, leaves, and flower buds are all edible. It thrives in partial shade and returns reliably each year. 20. Jerusalem artichoke, sunchoke. Jerusalem artichoke is a tall perennial sunflower, producing edible tubers. The tubers are nutritious, productive, and extremely easy to grow. Once established, sunchokes can yield massive harvests annually. Conclusion: these 20 crops demonstrate that food doesn't have to be replanted every year to be productive. By choosing perennial plants that grow like fruit trees, we can create resilient, abundant landscapes that feed people, support wildlife, and regenerate soil. Whether you start with one plant or design an entire food forest, these crops offer a glimpse into a more sustainable and diverse future for food production.